Hey everyone, Jim with Jeep with Jim here, and I gotta tell you, I'm really stoked about what's in this box right here. It's a set of new LED RGBW headlights. Not just any headlights though, it's from a company called More Sun Technologies. They're a fantastic company. They've got a broad selection of different kinds of lights, and we're gonna try these out. I think you're gonna really like these. There's 3 RGB zones that can all be controlled independently. So let's open this up, get them installed, and take a look. What you've got here is, of course, your LED headlights, right? But you've got 3 RGBW zones. You've got the halo, you've got the center halo, as well as RGBW lights on the outside. Got our wireless controller, plenty of wires. One of the things I like about the headlights also is that they're adjustable, so you can adjust the angle from behind the actual headlight itself. So here's our Bluetooth controller, and as you can see on the Bluetooth controller, we have 3 sets of the RGB leads, right? One is for the Damon center eye, the other one is for the halo on the outside, and the other one is for the halo ring on the inside. And then of course we've got our power cords. One of the most important things that More Sun Technologies got really good, if you ask me, is that they send a CAN bus for each one of the headlights. Everybody does cable management and wiring a little bit differently, but in the kit comes a nice add-a-tap, right? And so I spliced it into the wire that I needed, the red wire off the lead. I'll put this into the fuse that is the battery fuse, so that the lights only come on with and off with the battery. I'm gonna tuck the controller up right here and then do my cable management just through the rest of the engine compartment this way. So once you've got your controller wired up with your fuse box and the ground, you can go ahead and run the RGB wires and the headlight wires like I have done here. And so you can see I've ran mine this way, but everybody's going to be different. Then you remove their headlights using these 3 screws here, and you'll put the new ones in. So we'll start by putting the CAN bus on, wiring up the factory headlight harness. We'll put these on the outside so we can get to them, but we'll mount the headlight into place. And now we'll bolt in the right one. And then we'll match up the halo leads. Make sure you get the labels correct. This is a Damon eye. Inner halo. And then finally the outer halos. And we'll put these out of the way. And again, inner halo, outer to outer, and then Damon to Damon. And of course, get them out of the way. Put the grill on the exact same way we took it off. And now comes the fun, we get to test. And what's really cool about these is you can control each of them all together. Or individually. So the install was really easy, and the features of these are fantastic. I really think these are a very unique headlight, and I strongly recommend buying them.